without any hold up. I want to show you that this certainly works. As you can see, people from all over the planet are making money with this website, and I will demonstrate you how you can do the exact but doing practically no work at all. This is feasible with no purchases, no investment of any sort, and no mastery or experience whatever. You just require to keep watching because there are numerous platforms involved with this procedure and it's quite easy for you to just get disturbed and mistaken. So make sure you stay tuned. Before we go distant to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will introduce you the most up-to-date making money online concepts, tips and techniques, and don't neglect to subscribe to the channel and blow the like button and press the notification horn so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't skip to leave a comment below. Now let's get around to the video. Multiple platforms are implicated, as I said previously, so let's get right to the first one you will require to come to. It's called Trello.com. What this platform actually is a website where you can design a combination of things through the use of the thousands of templates this website has to offer. And before it even strikes out your mind, this is a free website, so no investment needed whatever. Now, as you can observe here, you can design an Instagram post, an Instagram video post, Facebook post, Instagram story and video story, posters, thumbnails, and so much additional. And don't bother, you won't be making money through the usage of this website as some professional designer or whatever. I won't tell you to design some YouTube thumbnail on here, for example, even though that is a viable idea if you are decent at it, by the way, but nonetheless I won't tell you to do that and then sell that thumbnail on Fiverr or wherever, as I promised you previously. You don't require any mastery whatever for this to work, and you will see that very shortly yourselves. Anyhow, what you require to do once you come onto this platform is you wanna click on the sign up button right here. Then you will go ahead and create your new account, either through your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, or by entering in your email and password in these two boxes, and then clicking on the sign up button just below to finalize their process. And when you log in, this is how everything will glance like, and you will now be able to see just all of the things that you can design with this platform. The transparent amount of choices they give you is really amazing, to say the least. And just check out all of these templates they have. You practically don't have to design anything. If you are using this website, just open up a template, change a few bits and pieces, and save it to your PC. As simple as that. And you even get all of that for free. Once again though, you will not be making money through design, so do keep that in mind. Now what you will want to do from here, dudes, is just leave this site be like so. We will return to it later. You'll now wanna head over to the following platform we will be using today. That platform is called CPA-Lead.com. As the name of this website suggests, this is a location where you can find several CPA or cost per action offers that you can then promote. You can promote some apps, for example, some websites, and so on. They do vary quite a fraction. The main reason we want to use this site though is that for the offers that you promote, you don't require people to make a purchase for you as an affiliate to get paid. For example, if you promote some app, people don't require to pay for that app. Since it will be free, they just require to install it for you to get paid. If you are promoting some website, people just require to sign up to the said website in order for you to get paid, and so on. You get the point. Unlike on other similar sites, generally do just or 24 and ClickBank, nobody wishes to make a purchase on what you are promoting for you to get paid, and that's huge. The main drawback with affiliate marketing is that it's actually hard to convince somebody to make a purchase, but convincing somebody to, for example, install some app that can make them money online rather of having them spend money is much simpler, and thanks to the traffic source I will demonstrate to you in a second, one that gets actually just under 1 billion visits on a monthly basis, and also one that we will incorporate with the previously shown Trello. You will be able to make big money online doing actually nothing, if you set this up appropriately. Before we get to that though, you will need to now sign up on CPA-Lead.com here. To do so, click on the sign up button right up here. You'll then be able to sign up via Google, which is of course much quicker. Or if you don't want to scroll down a tiny bit on this page, and you'll be able to see this section here, where they'll ask you to enter in the following: your full name in these two boxes, email address, which goes just below, enter and retype your password in these two boxes, select a security question and an answer to the similar question, and finally click on submit information below to sign up. Once you log in, this is how everything will look like on your dashboard. Here you will be able to trace your earnings, which of course, for the time being, will be zero. What you now require to do is find a good offer to promote. To see what you can promote and all the information you wanna, click on offers here. This will now demonstrate you all of these offers that you can promote, and to the right here you can see how much money you make per sign up, if it's a website, install if it's an app, and so on. Now some pay better, and some pay smaller. You will of course find that these do not pay a ton, certainly, and you would be correct, but that is neutralized with the fact that more people will be willing to check out what you are promoting if they don't need to invest any money into it, and as such your potential earnings are big nevertheless, more so thanks to the traffic source I indicated before. In any case, what you now require to do is just pick an offer to promote. Find something that pays decently but that you think more people will be willing to check out. I will use this $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway as a representation, since it does pay quite decently per sign up. 58 cents to be precise, and more greatly because it's a giveaway. More people should normally be attracted to an offer like this, which makes it a tremendous example. When you click on an offer of your own selecting, you will be able to see your affiliate link right here, and you will want to copy it now. And once you do that, you will now wanna head over to the website that will literally be our traffic source, so we can make money on exact autopilot. The website in point is called Pinterest.com. Possibilities are some of you could have heard about this website, but if you haven't, let me clarify what it is. Pinterest is a place where people share photos on just about anything. More honorably for us, anyone can share any photo they want, and even more significant for us is the fact that Pinterest is being visited by nearly 1 billion people on a monthly basis, as you can see. This means that a photo you share on here has huge alternatives of getting enormous views, and you will see how that will be relevant for us in a minute. First off though, what you'll require to do on this website is you wanna sign up. To do so, just click on the sign up button here and then continue to log into your own brand new account from there. Once you do, this is how everything will glance like, and what you will require to do, guys. I have already done so myself, so I can clarify this easier. Your extremely first step once you sign up to Pinterest will be to go over to Trello, and what you will now wanna do on Trello is design a Pinterest photo promoting your CPA lead offer that you chose a while back, and you will then go ahead and upload that photo over on Pinterest.com. As such, what you will first require to do on here is you wanna select Pinterest graphic here. From there you will wanna pick a template that you wanna design. Which template you go for will depend on what offer you chosen to promote over on CPA lead. In my case, the offer is a giveaway, so I picked this template right here and I designed it consequently, and even though I designed this in like 5 minutes, you can still see just how great it looks, all thanks to the extraordinary templates Trello offers. When you are done yourselves, just click on the download button up here. You will then go back over to Pinterest, click on create, then on create pin, and that will now take you over to this page here, where you will require to upload that photo you downloaded a second ago. Add a title, which can be the similar as the title of the offer you are promoting. For me, it's free $1,000 gift card giveaway. The next thing you require to type in is a description. You can just go back over to the offer you are promoting on CPA lead and simply copy paste the description listed on here on Pinterest. The last thing you will require to add is your destination link, which is of course going to be your affiliate link, and once you fill all of this in, you can just post this pin on Pinterest. And thanks to the sheer popularity of the platform, you will be able to get thousands upon thousands of impressions on your pin, and many people will clearly wanna click on your affiliate link and make you money in literally passive and inactive income with no skills, just like I promised you in the introduction. And that's it. If you is the lover of similar content like this, Take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Catch sight of you in the successive video.